Hi guys, welcome to Microsoft Word tutorials. Today we are going to look on how to style a text in Microsoft Word. Firstly, I will start with this one. This is where you change the font type and the font size. So what do you need to do? Firstly, you need to select the text, right, like this. Then from there you'll come here, you click here, and then you select the font type. I'll just select an Arial, and then from there you can change the size here, change it to 18, and then this one they also do the same thing. This one is for increasing the size, and this one is for decreasing the size of the text. And then this one is for changing the case, so whether to uppercase, lowercase, sentence the case. It means the first letter on the sentence will start with a capital letter, and the rest will be small letters like this. And then this one is for lowercase everything, and then this one is for uppercase everything, and then this one is capitalized each word, right? And then we have the toggle case. The toggle case of which means the first letter on the each word will be small letter and the rest will be capital letters, as you can see. And here we have the bold to making the text bold. We have the italic, making the text italic, underline. So you have the different underlines here available, the dash underline, the double underline, and so forth. And then if you want to remove the underline, you just click here. And then we have the scratch through. If you want to scratch through the text, you can just click here. You make sure you select that specific text. And then this one is for editing the small letter below the text. This one is for editing the small letter above the text. As you can see, these are just an example. So if I click here, so it means I'm making the selected text to be the small and then to be at the bottom of the text, right? Then here you have the effects and typography for adding the effect on the text. So when you click here, you see the different effects available. I'll just select this one, and then this one is for highlighting, right? So when you want to select when you want to highlight the text, you click here, you'll see the different colors available. So remember, I did show you in the previous video on how to add the extended color. And let's say the color you're looking for is not here, you can define the new color, the new color theme. And then here you have the font, adding the font, the font color. We can also define the new colors scheme for this one. You can define the new color scheme. I've indicated that in the previous video. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.